Hey, good morning, guys. This is Jabril for the SPX Ninja. Welcome to Friday, May 25th, and we are looking at the S&P 500, which is giving us a tough time because we don't know when the consolidation will end and the next move will begin, but it is still going according to what I am anticipating. Basically, we had a impulse wave up in 5 waves, and this ending diagonal and this bearish divergence between wave 3 and 5 show me that a turn is likely. A turn has begun because we had this 5 wave move down, and then the moves up have been in 3 waves. There was a 1, 2, 3 wave in here, 1, 2 clear 3 waves here, and a 1, 2, 3 wave here. When I drop down to lower time frames, I can see that they are clearly in 3 waves. So this makes a WXY correction, which would be our wave 2. And then I am anticipating, and I had the arrow drawn from yesterday, I'm anticipating a fall into 2680. Now, we have though been trapped inside this 2740 to 2700 range. So, unless we break the range, I can't say with certainty that, this is going to happen. Maybe this consolidation continues. But at this point, it is working out, and we are smack dab in the middle of this range. So a break lower could potentially give us that final move through the range. But you should anticipate support again around that 2700 to 2707 area. Now, this would be a wave 3, and then I expect another bounce into wave 4. I don't know exactly where it'll be, maybe back up to 2700, and then a final fall to maybe in the 2660s. Now that is what I anticipate would be the correction for this impulsive move that started. Now, if you recall, I was talking about 2 scenarios. One was that we broke out of the triangle and we're going to move upwards in the resumption of the bull market. But the problem is I'm seeing way too much optimism already. A lot of people already calling that. Almost everybody that I read or watch on TV is talking about the resumption of the bull market. So perhaps wave 4s do have a tendency to confuse people more than they would anticipate. Perhaps this move up has just broadened the triangle. I'll show you that right now. Has just broadened the triangle. And this is slowly becoming my preferred scenario here. Has just broadened the triangle. Hold on. And we will go down to a C and a D and a E, and then maybe break down below the triangle to get everybody bearish before the move continues. And this isn't, this isn't me changing my opinion on the bull market that will eventually continue, but I think there's more people to shake out before it does. So I think this will do another for a longer triangle, and then possibly break out under the triangle first before it resumes up. So that isn't still my preferred scenario, but I am keeping that into consideration. And this chart, while I was drawing these internal waves, I started doing that on this alternate chart. But anyway, so basically today, look for a test of 2700 and a potential breakdown to 2780. And this, as I said since yesterday, as long as the 2740 top remains, we can expect this move. All right, guys, that's all that I have for today. I will see you guys on Tuesday. Until then, have a great trading day and a great long weekend. Take care.